I'm K.R. Bhagat from Heroes Garden, Chambur, Faridabad, and I developed pain in my legs. Mainly the left leg was very painful, which was approximately 8 to 10 years ago. I have had different types of medicines, allopathic, homeopathic, and Ayurvedic. I had also visited the Kaya Ayurvedic Center for 10 days, and we had carried out certain massages and also the Bodhi. And unfortunately, I did not get much relief. Timely relief may have been there, but then thereafter it was. Then recently I was having a lot of pain, and I was having certain painkillers. And I saw an advert regarding Asian Institute of Medical Sciences. I decided to visit it. I met with Dr. Ashutosh Shrivastava, and I'm not quite sure as to how he was able to convince me to have a surgery, although I had no plans of doing the surgery. And within 4 days I made my mind to have the surgery. The surgery was of the left knee replacement. It was done on 9th of December 2017. And I must say that Dr. Ashutosh Shrivastava and his team have done an excellent job. I do not have words to express my gratitude for the operation, post-operation care that was taken at the hospital and thereafter. Today my physio was slightly delayed, but however my physiotherapist has done also a good job, and today I'm okay. I would like to show you my work.